Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to customize your Wi-Fi frequency bands and hide or unhide your SSID. First, open your browser and type in your router's login IP address. If you are not sure what it is, just Google your router model followed by default IP. Once the home page opens, you will see several options. Click on Manage My Wi-Fi and enter your login password. Usually, this password is printed somewhere on your router. After logging in, you will notice that Optimize Wi-Fi is turned on by default on Bell routers. Simply toggle it off, confirm by clicking yes on the dialog box and hit Save Changes. Once the settings are saved, you will see an advanced setting button on your screen. Click on it to view all available frequency bands. My router supports 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz bands. By default, all these bands share the same SSID because they use the same SSID for all bands option is enabled. To customize the frequency bands, turn off that option. Now you can assign different names to each SSID. For example, home 2.4G, home 5G, and home 6G. This way, you will see separate Wi-Fi names for each bands on your devices. If you want, you can even set different passwords for each band's bandwidth for more control. If you want to hide your Wi-Fi name, just uncheck the broadcast SSID box, or if you want to show it, just check it. You can also enable or disable specific frequency bands depending on your needs. Just toggle them on or off for the same from the same menu. Once you are done, save the changes. Now open your Wi-Fi list on your phone or computer and you will notice multiple network names based on the frequency bands you just customized. And that's it. That's how you can customize your Wi-Fi frequency bands and manage SSID visibility like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips.